AI is not just the future, it is already here, transforming industries today. This presentation opens with a look at how different sectors are using AI, driven by real, practical use cases, not theory. In finance, where every millisecond counts, AI powers fraud detection and automate trades, delivering speed, precision, and risk control. In healthcare, AI enables rapid diagnosis and support personalized treatment planning. In retail, AI thrives on predictive personalization, helping business understand and serve customers better. And in manufacturing, AI drives intelligent automation, streamlining operations, and boosting efficiency. Across all these industries, the lesson is clear. While the data and code may differ, the power of AI lies in adapting common techniques to deliver measurable value. Let us explore each of these sectors more deeply. Finance is one of the most advanced sectors when it comes to AI integration. The sheer volume and velocity of transactions make it a prime candidate for machine learning solutions that can process data in real time. Fraud detection has evolved from rigid rule-based systems to dynamic ML models that adapt to changing behaviors. Algorithmic trading now uses deep learning to spot and exploit patterns faster than human traders ever could. Meanwhile, AI enhances grade scoring by considering behavioral data, opening doors to wider financial inclusion. Customer service also benefits with AI-powered bots that understand intent and manage even complex workflows. So the result is banks are saving cost, reducing fraud, and delivering a smoother customer experience. AI's impact in healthcare is deeply human. By improving the speed and accuracy of diagnosis, AI empowers doctors to begin treatment sooner, especially in critical conditions like cancer. One standout case is medical imaging. Deep learning can scan images in minutes, catching signs that even experts might miss. Predictive analytics also play a big role, helping hospitals forecast high-risk cases and allocate resources more efficiently. Beyond diagnostics, AI is speeding up drug discovery by identifying promising candidates faster. And for patients, digital health assistants provide guidance and support right at their fingertips. The result is personalized, proactive care delivered at scale. In today's competitive retail world, the edge comes from personalization and precision, and AI makes both possible. Recommendation engines, driven by vast amount of customer data, deliver the right product at the right time, and that dramatically boost sales. Forecasting tools help avoid both overstock and missed sales by optimizing inventory based on real demand. Dynamic pricing adds another layer, adjusting offers in real time to stay competitive. Even in physical stores, computer vision is transforming shopping from instant checkout to smart self alerts. The result is a faster, smarter, and more customer friendly retail experience. In manufacturing, AI delivers efficiency at scale. Predictive maintenance cuts down on unplanned downtime, directly improving output and reducing cost. By analyzing sensor data in real time, systems can anticipate failures and trigger repairs before they happen. On the quality side, computer vision spot product flaws with incredible speed and accuracy, making sure only the best product reach customers. In supply chain logistics, AI predicts optimization routes, keeping production lines running smoothly. And then there is robotics. Intelligent machines powered by AI now adapt to complex and changing tasks. The result is leaner operations, safer workplaces, and a strong bottom line. This matrix shows the cross-sector impact of AI. The tools may be the same: machine learning, computer vision, natural language processing, but their use looks very different depending on each industry needs. In finance, speed and accuracy matter most. In healthcare, it is all about reliability and life-saving precision. In retail, the focus is understanding customers in real time. And in manufacturing, the priority is operational consistency and safety. Despite these differences, one pattern is clear: AI delivers the most value when it is built into specific high impact processes. That is where the real return on AI investment comes to life.